This is a short one-take video on how to use your print screen feature of the laptop to take a picture of what's on your screen and then save it so that we can then upload it later on someplace else. We'll typically, if you're in my class, we'll use this for our digital notebooks, and we'll actually use it with the Lego software to upload screenshots of our programs, and just to take them, whether we upload them to the digital notebooks or not, we may print them for a handout at competition. So this is a pretty useful little feature, at least as far as the robotics class goes. So I just went ahead and I opened a program I have in Lego Mindstorms. What we take a picture of is not as important. The sequence is still going to be the same. And you can't see it. You can't see my keyboard because we're running a film here of my monitor. But know that if you're using the laptops in our lab, the HP laptops, there's a button, the top right corner of the keyboard, move one in, and it should say print screen. And you're actually going to just push that button. If you have a Mac computer at home, or even my HP laptop here, I have to actually use the function button and then toggle and hit the print screen. But like I said, if you're in our lab, right there, all you have to do is hit the print screen button. So I'm actually going to do that now. And you can't really tell that I've done anything. What I love about the Mac computers is a lot of times when you do it, you actually hear like a shutter click like you would if it were an actual camera taking a picture, and so it kind of helps you know that it took a picture. But I feel confident we got the picture. So now what we do is we want to click on the little start menu down here, and we're looking for this program called Paint. You open Paint, and then you need to click in this white canvas area, and then Control Paste, so Control V, and there you've got it. Your picture, the picture of your screen has appeared right there. And you can see you've got some crop options and resize options that if you wanted to tinker with your screenshot here, you can. For our purposes, really probably don't need to do a whole lot. Maybe if your program was as short as mine here, you could crop and not insert all of this white space here. Just for grins, I'll show you that. But you just would kind of crop what you want a picture of. We'll pretend we don't need all of that. And then we'll hit select the area, and then you hit crop, and there you've cropped that part of the screen. But that's just a bonus. Once you've got, whether you've cropped it or you've left it in the original size, you want to go up here, and we're going to save as. And it should, not sure what we've got going on, it should have just come up right there. There you go. And for robotics, and really probably for a lot of things we're doing in my classes, you should have a folder on your desktop with your robotics team name. So you'd select desktop like I have here, and we'll pretend that this is, come on. We'll pretend that this file here is, that's my initials, so we'll just pretend that that's actually like my robotics team folder. So you would select that. Mine says JAM, but yours should say, Delta Bravo or Royal Robotics Kings, whatever your robotic team name is, it should say that. And then we want to go in here and we want to make sure that we name the picture something that has to do with the actual program. And so this program was about making the robot follow a black line. So I would choose to name it Follow a Line, or something to that effect. If it was, if it was the follow the line for the ambulance mission, we might do something like that. And then you would hit save, and then you have saved a screenshot. From there, you can then follow the steps. If you're trying to upload this to your digital notebook, you would go into the notebook and follow all the steps there. And if you need a refresher on that, there's an I forgot how to video with those steps. Or you could email the photo, or you could print the photo, any number of things that you might want to do with the photo, you can now do. So I hope you find that helpful.